I welcome you all to this session. This session we are going to discuss about admission of a partner. We are starting a new chapter. Admission of a partner, when a new partner is admitted into the firm. According to Section 31 of Indian Partnership Act 1932, new partner shall not be admitted in the firm unless all the existing partner agree to the admission of new partner, or it is agreed otherwise by the partners in the partnership deed. So after admission, it says that all the partners should agree before a new partner is getting admitted into the firm. So that is what it means. Okay. When a new partner is admitted after admission, the new partner gets the following two rights: right to share future profits of the firm and right to share in the assets of the firm. So these are all important questions. One mark questions can be asked in this particular part. So that's why I'm just covering it. The new or incoming partner receives share in future profits that is equal to the sacrifice of profit share by an existing partner. So the existing partner sacrifices their share to the new partner, for which the new partner has to contribute something called as premium for goodwill. We are all aware of that, right? So premium for goodwill, last chapter also we have studied the same. So I'm going to straight away go to the problem. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. I'm going to do the fifth problem, that is Bharati and Asha. Okay, where partners Asta. Okay, Bharati and Asta were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Dinkar as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm, which he got equally from Bharati and Asta. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Bharati, Asta and Dinakar. Okay, so we are just going to do this problem. So I'm just going to take it. So you can see the problem here, and I'm going to okay, chapter 4 in my textbook, but in your textbook it will be 5. Okay, so fifth question, Bharati, and so I'm just taking B, A, old partners. They are having the old profit sharing ratio 3:2. They are admitting D as a new partner for 1/5 share. 1/5 share in the profits. For they are acquiring, D is acquiring 1/5 share, half from B and half from A. So this is what we are going to look into. So first let us calculate B's sacrifice. B's sacrifice. What is B sacrifice? 1/5 into half, which is equal to 1/10. அதே மாதிரி A's sacrifice 1/5 into 1/2, which is 1/10. So this is what the sacrifice of A and B. Now what is the B's new share? New share is equal to old share minus sacrifice share. So old share is 3/5 minus 1/10, which can be otherwise written as, I'm just following like this, which can be otherwise written as I'm just multiplying by 2, so that my denominator is 10 minus 1/10, which is 5/10. So this is the new share of B. Now what is the new share of A? A's new share, old share minus sacrifice share. What is old share? 2/5 minus 1/10, sacrifice share. So I'm just multiplying it by 2. No, it's not whole power 2, just multiplying by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, which is 3/10. Hope you are able to understand. A's share is 3/10. Now what is D's share? D's new share 1/5 or 2/10. Okay, so new profit sharing ratio of B, A and D will be 5 by 10, 3 by 10 and 2 by 10. So 5 by 10 is to 3 by 10 is to 2 by 10, or 5 is to 3 is to 2. This is the answer. Okay. The next problem that I'm going to do is 8th question. So I'm just going to take you through the 8th question. This one. Kabir and Farid are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 7:3. Kabir surrenders 2/10 from his share and Farid surrenders 1/10 from his share in favor of Jyoti, the new partner. Okay, so Jyoti is a new partner. So Kabir surrenders 2/10 from his share and Farid surrenders 1/10 from his share in favor of Jyoti. The new partner calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So we need to calculate the new profit sharing ratio as well as the sacrificing ratio. So Kabir and Farid, I'm just going to refer them as K and F. Okay, so their old ratio 7:3. 7:3 is their old ratio. The sacrifice by K will be 2 by 10 and sacrifice by F will be 1 by 10 in favor of whom? Jyoti. So Jyoti is getting 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10, which is 3 by 10. Now the new ratio will be old share minus sacrificed share. What is the old share of K? 7 by 10 minus 2 by 10, which is 5 by 10. F, it is 3 by 10 minus 1 by 10, which is 2 by 10. Okay, and so Kabir's, Farid's and Jyoti's new profit sharing ratio will be 5 by 10 is to 2 by 10 is to 3 by 10, or 5 is to 2 is to 3. Now the sacrificing ratio. They are also asking the sacrificing ratio, which is 2 by 10 is to 1 by 10 or 2 is to 1. So this is the answer. This is the new profit sharing ratio. This is the sacrificing ratio. I hope that this is clear. The next sum that we are going to do is it's going to be the alternative cases. So find new profit sharing ratio. R and T are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. S joins the firm. R surrenders 1/4 of his share and T 1/5 of his share in favor of S. So first case, let us finish the problem. If it is off means you need to multiply. From means you need to subtract. Okay, so of his share means you need to multiply. I'll tell you how to do it. So just going to take the fresh page. Problem number 9, case 1. Problem number 9, case 1. R and T, their old profit sharing ratio is 3:2. S is joining. S is a new partner. R is surrendering 1/4 of his share and T is surrendering 1/5 of his share Okay, so if it is off, you need to multiply. Okay, so old share sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio into surrender ratio. Old ratio into surrender ratio, which happens to be 3 by, so the old ratio is 3/5, the surrender ratio is 1/4, so 3/20. So T's share is, T's sacrificing ratio will be, this is R's, T's sacrificing ratio will be 2/5 into 1/5. If it is of his share, you need to multiply. If it is from, you need to subtract. So 2/25. Okay, so this is the sacrificing ratio. Now we need to find the new ratio. The new ratio is old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. So old ratio is 3/5 minus sacrificing ratio 3/24R. Similarly for T, old ratio 2/5 minus 2/25. So you need to equalize this denominator in order to subtract. So I'm just going to multiply this with 4 so that my denominator happens to be 20. So 12 minus 3 divided by 20. Similarly, my denominator should be 25 here. So I'm just going to multiply it with 5. 10 minus 2 divided by 25. So 9/20, 8/25. So this is what the new ratio. Never mind, the denominators are different. We will equalize them when we are finalizing the answer. So S share. What is S share? R's sacrifice plus S sacrifice. R's sacrifice is equal to 3/20 plus S sacrifice is T sacrifice. Okay, 2/25. So I need to I need to add this both. So what can I do? I have to multiply this and equalize it. So 3 will become 15 plus 8 because I need to equalize this. So I'll multiply this by 5 and multiply this with 4. Okay, so 2 4s are 8 and 3 5s are 15. So divided by 100. 15 plus 8 is 23 divided by 100. I hope that you are following. So this is the S share. Now new profit sharing ratio of R, T and S will be 9/20 is to 8/25 is to 23/100. So see, the denominators are different. We need to equalize them. So I'm just going to multiply this by 5 and multiply this by 4. So 45 is to 9 5s are 45. 8 4s are 32 is to 23. So this is my new profit sharing ratio. So 45 is to 32 is to 23. Okay, and then second case, A and B are partners. They admit C for 1/4 share in future. The ratio between A and B would be 2:1. So this is the second case. A, B are partners. They admit C for 1/4 share. In future, the ratio between A and B would be 2:1. So I'll just finish this. So old partners A is to B. Their old ratio is not given. Their new ratio, old ratio not given. new ratio will be 2:1 they have given. Okay, so if old ratio is not given, we have to assume it to be equally. Okay, now C is getting admitted for how much of share? 1/4 share. Okay, C is getting admitted for 1/4 share. So let total share of A comma B and C is 1. Let it be 1. Okay, now 1 lerundu what is C's share? C's share happens to be 1 minus 1/4. So what is the remaining share? 3/4. Okay, so new ratio combined share of A and B will be 2/3. Okay, because it is 2:1, so 2/3. Okay, and then A's share would be 3/4 into 2/3, which happens to be 6/12. B's share is equal to 3/4 into 1/3, which happens to be 3/12. The new profit sharing ratio is 6:3:1/4. Okay, if I want to convert this, I am just multiplying with 3. So 6:3:3. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Then so it happens to be 2:1:1. So I'll just see you in the next video. We'll be doing category 3, 4, 5 and 6. Thank you, class.